Okay, so next type of sequence, which is the geometric sequence. So first, what is geometric sequence? Geometric sequence is a sequence where each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a non-zero constant called the common ratio. So, yung common ratio po, yun lang din yun sa arithmetic sequence na common difference. Pero sa geometric sequence po, ang tawag na is the common ratio. And the pattern po sa geometric sequence, it's either multiply or division. Kapag addition and subtraction sa arithmetic po yun. Okay po. And then, yung common ratio, nade-determine po yan by dividing the second term and first term, third term and second term, and so on. So, kung sa arithmetic sequence, nahanap natin ang common difference by subtracting. So, dito naman, nahanap natin si common ratio by dividing. Okay po. So, yung common ratio natin, bawal po maging 0. Kaya nga, by a non-zero constant called the common ratio. So now, may I introduce you the formula for geometric sequence. So, formula is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1. So, ayun po yung formula ng geometric sequence. So, para mahanap natin yung nth term na pinapahanap. So, ito pong a sub n, that is the last term. Po, last term yan. And then sa a sub 1, that is the first term. And ito pong r natin, ang tawag po natin dyan is the common ratio. So, r stands for common ratio. And ito pong n. N, that is the nth term. Okay po. So, ayan po yung parts ng formula ng geometric sequence. And then, para mas maintindihan pa, let us have an example. Okay, so what is the 10th term of the geometric sequence 8, 4, 2, 1? So, now let us write the given. So, given. So, what is our n? And natin kung ano yung pinapahanap, which is 10. Enter. And then our a sub 1 is 8, yung unang number na nakita natin sa unahan. Ayun yung first term natin, or a sub 1. And then our r, or our common ratio. So, yung common ratio, nahanap natin yan by dividing. So, 4 divides 8, that is 1/2. 2 divides 4, that is 1/2. And then 1 divides 2, that is 1/2. So, our common ratio is 1/2. Okay po. So, now, solution or the formula. We have a sub n is equals to a sub 1 common ratio raised to n minus 1. So, now, let us now find the 10th term of this given geometric sequence. So, we have a, and then yung n natin is 10, is equals to a sub 1 natin is 8. And then our common ratio is 1/2. And then yung n natin is 10 minus 1. So, simplify. A sub 10 is equals to 8 times 10 minus 1. Exponent first, exponent. So, 10 minus 1 is 9. So, dito, i-distribute lang natin yung exponent. So, distribute. So, kung tandaan nyo, yung loss of exponent ko sa grade 9. So, this will become 1 raised to 9 all over 2 raised to 9. Okay po. So, a sub 10 is equals to 8 times 1 raised to 9. That is just 1 all over 2 raised to 9. That is 512. Iba tayo dito. So, a sub 10 is equals to itong 8, multiply muna natin sa numerator. So, 8 times 1, that is 8. And then, copy nyo yung 512. And then ito, pwede natin divisible to both by 8. So, pwede natin to i-divide both by 8. And then 8 divides 8, that is 1. All over 512 divides 8, that is 64. So, the 10th term of this geometric sequence is 1 over 64. Okay po. So, next example. Okay, so last example. We have what is the fifth term of the geometric sequence 3, 12, 40, 48, and so on. So, first, let us write the given. So, given is n, a sub 1, and then our common ratio. So, n natin yung pinapahanap, 5. A sub 1, yung pinakaunang term, which is 3. And then r. So, let us divide this para mahanap yung common ratio. 12 divides 3 is 4. 48 divides 12 is 4. So, our common ratio is 4. Dinivide natin 12 divides 3 is 4. 48 divides 12 is 4. So, now, formula ng geometric sequence, we have a sub n is equals to a sub 1, r, and then raised to n minus 1. Okay po. So, a sub 5, kasi pang limang term yung hinahanap. And then, a sub 1 natin is 3. Then, our common ratio is 4. And then, n natin is 5 minus 1. So, simplify. So, uunahin natin is the exponent. So, 5 minus 1 is 4. And then, simplify lang ng simplify. We have, what is 4 raised to 4? That is 256. And multiply. What is 3 times 256? So, that is 768. So, the fifth term of this given geometric sequence is 768. So, ganun lang po kadali ang geometric sequence. Again, kapag geometric sequence, the only pattern is multiplication and division. And then, mahanap natin si common ratio by dividing the second term to first term, third term to second term, fourth term to third term, and so on. So, ganun lang po ang geometric sequence. Thank you.